Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to be more magnetic. I'm going to share some tips and tricks which I used to attract more opportunities and better people in my life. So after you've seen this video, you'll feel more confident, more attractive, more magnetic. So let's dive in. Spend time with yourself and get to know yourself. It's okay to isolate yourself from your surroundings from your time to time to get to know your real self, who you really are. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What do you like? What you don't like? What is it that you're okay with and what is it that you're not okay with? See what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. Where can you use your strengths? Because these are the talents that you have been gifted with. So you're naturally very good at it. So you should be able to monetize on your strengths. You should be able to use your strengths in one way or the other to align yourself. Then take a look at your list. What are the things that you're not okay with? Are they internal or external? If they're internal, then change that thing about yourself. If it's external, draw boundaries so that people do not cross your boundary and make you uncomfortable. Start working on your ideas. If you can draw well, see if you can post them on social media. Just create an account and post. If you can dance well, do you want to take dancing lessons? You can go for dancing lessons, or if you're really good at it and you really want to post on social media, start posting on social media. Create your own page and start. If you're good at makeup, you can create your own beauty channel. There's so many things that can be done. You just need to sit down with yourself and get to know yourself. There are numerous things you can do with your strengths, with your talents. You just need to get to know yourself first. What are your values? What are your morals? Are the decisions you're taking in life aligned with your values? If there's any area of your life where it's not going well, just try to look at it and understand why is it that you're doing it. Is it making you happy? Is it aligning with your strengths? Is it aligning with your path? Is it aligning with your values? If not, change it. Now, let's take a look at personal life. What kind of partner do you want? Now, be very clear with it and make a list of all the qualities you want in a partner. Think about which of those qualities do you have. Whatever qualities you don't have, get to work. You need to have all these qualities so that you can attract a person with all these qualities. You've heard like attracts like, right? When you work on yourself every day and become the best version of yourself, you attract the best for you. Not just opportunities, but also people. Don't be shy from working on yourself. It is the biggest favor you're doing to yourself. It is the biggest way of showing that you love yourself. So if you want to do that self-care, do that self-care. If you want to wear that face mask, wear that face mask. If you want to get into skincare, get into skincare. All of it, you taking care of yourself is a way of showing love to yourself. You can also learn to speak more fluently. Learn the art of public speaking. Be a good conversationalist. When you work on yourself in this way, you become a more confident version of yourself. And don't be shy from doing any of this. It will only help you attract better. You will become the magnet of the greatest of opportunities. You've heard dress for the job you want, right? Well, I have applied this in my personal life. I've always been complimented for being prim and proper at work. No matter how people around me are dressing, I would always wear a blazer or a half blazer and dress very formally. As a result, I got more opportunities than my own teammates. I got bigger partners than my own teammates. That's what power dressing does. So do not be shy from doing any of this. You are doing all of this to become the best version of yourself. If you want to become a confident and magnetic version of yourself, you need to surround yourself with people who are a vibrational match of you. When you are focused on your goals, on your own path, all of your energy is invested into it. So don't listen to the naysayers. Be unbothered. Let them say what they want to say, let them think what they want to think. It is no longer your problem. If you have people around you constantly pulling you down or making you feel like you're not good enough, remove yourself from that equation. When they say that you can't do something, do not accept it. Take it as it's not a part of your reality and reject it. See, people are limited by their own beliefs. They cannot believe that you can do it because they think they themselves can't do it. So, how can they expect you to do it? So, don't take it personally, but don't register it in your head. It's not for you. They cannot get into your energy and feed off of you. Instead, be more focused on what life says about you. When you are connected to source, your true essence, you have high opinion of yourself. While people can say whatever they want to say, it cannot reach you because they are not a vibrational match of you. Make friends with people who do not judge others, who don't have time for gossip, who are working on themselves. So I also had such friends who would not uplift each other, who would not support each other in their growth, who would not work on themselves to get better. I actively removed them from my life. See, because people who don't support each other, uplift each other, work on themselves, or make people happy, people around them happy, why would I want to be friends with such people? Also, when a word reaches you about a gossip that's going on about you, don't be bothered. Don't even care to listen to it. When people say, do you want to know what that person said about you? Just say no, thank you. You have to live for yourself. If 10 to 11 years ago you had told me that this is where I would be, I would not have believed you. If you had told me that I would brave through what I went through, I would not have believed you. If you told me I would get through one of the toughest times of my life alone, I would not have believed you. I was on a totally different path, pursuing a totally different dream. I was just going through life, not living it, not appreciating it, at one point, even resenting it. At another point, when nothing was working out, I remember I lost all faith and all hope. But now I'm on the other side of it. I've never been more full of hope or full of faith. I didn't know myself to be that strong. So, how did this happen? It happened because of mindset shift. I started working on my mindset and I still work on it every single day of my life. I am trying to download more and more information for myself and become wiser every day. All of this to become the best version of myself. I am so invested in changing myself, in becoming better and better every day that I don't see what's distracting me. So when you sit down with all of this work to do, it might just feel a little overwhelming that there's so much work to do. But every single step that you take in choosing yourself, in sticking to your values, in doing the right thing, you come into your power. Your own life is enhanced. You'll start to see the change from within you to outside of you. Because life is a reflection of what happens within you, right? So when you do the inner work, you see the change in your 3D as well. When you raise your vibration, you attract things of higher vibration. Embody warrior mentality. Don't be scared of the challenges. Whatever scares you, the best way to fight the fear of it is to face it. So, what I do when something gives me anxiety because I have to do something, but I hate doing it, but I have to do it, I take the first step towards it. The first step is the hardest, but if you get through the first step, the second step is much easier. Until that time, all of anxiety goes away because now you become comfortable in it. You were just scared of taking that first step. So you have to trust that your tiniest of step can make a difference. Because you have to realize that your fears are just illusions and they're only holding you back from becoming your best self. So that's it, you guys. Keep working on yourself to become more and more magnetic every single day of your life. I want you guys to have all the love, abundance, and success that you want. You know I'll be rooting for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.